Hello, and welcome back to Civil Mix YouTube channel. Today, we'll dive into the process of creating a pool in Autodesk Revit, using a previous project as our reference. This can be a great time saver and ensure consistency in your designs. To start, let's open the previous Revit project file that we want to use as a reference. Once the previous project is open, navigate to the area where the pool was designed. This may involve using the floor plans or 3D views to locate it. Now, let's create the pool in our current project. Go to the Massing and Site tab and select Building Pad. I encourage you to follow along with the video as we create this pool in real time. To make this process faster and more accurate, we can use the Create Similar tool. This allows us to replicate elements from the previous project. If there were custom components or specific pool features in the previous project, remember to edit them to match the requirements of your current project. Now, let's put these steps into action. I encourage you to follow along with the video as we create this pool in real time. For your convenience, you can download the project file used in this tutorial from the link provided in the video description. Additionally, by joining Civil Mix as a Patreon member, you can access more Revit models and families. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.